Great. Hello, everyone. How are you doing? I hope that everybody is doing fine. A very nice Sunday afternoon we can see, and I welcome all of you to 2 p.m. live from the garden. So I realized that 2 a.m. Coffee with RV was quite a time when most of people are not able to join from India. So then I realized that let's go live as a surprise and see and meet people, those who are in a daylight. And it's a Sunday, a sunny day, very nice time and atmospheres to meet and greet. So tell me how everyone is doing. I would like to hear it from all of you as well. Hello Amit, thank you for joining in. Okay, great. So purpose of 2 p.m. The garden live with RV is something different. This is especially for Indian continental, or I will say that Asia, wherein people are more active at this time, and I can connect with them as well. So doing so many things globally, and talking to different people from all over the world. We had very nice sessions in 2 a.m. Coffee with RV. It was like we had Claudia, we had Rim, we had Claudia from Chile, Rim was from Canada, and then recently, so I just want to share that recently we had a 2 a.m. coffee with RV, in which we invited chief guest Dr. Ruby, very known person, and there was Anjuji as a special guest as well. Both has a different kind of personalities and quite, they are the master of their own fields. And I was like very blessed having these two big personalities in 2 a.m. Coffee with RV. And then I was just sitting in the afternoon and realized that it's a quite nice Sunday morning afternoon, sunny, and we should connect each other in a daytime also. And let's see that what everybody wants to hear in from me. What are the subjects you want me to discuss with you? So being in India, I will be using Hindi as well, because some of the time I received a request that please speak something or say something in Hindi. I can speak in 3 languages as well: Hindi, Punjabi, and English. It's not an issue. ग्रेट दोस्तों, नमस्कार. आप लोगों का दोबारा एक बार स्वागत करता हूँ 2 p.m. गार्डन लाइव विद आरवी. जिसका पर्पज़ सिर्फ यही था कि आप लोगों से मिले, एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू चेक कि आप लोग कैसा कर रहे हो. नया साल अभी बीता है. हमने कुछ गोल्स बनाए होंगे, कुछ रेजोल्यूशंस बनाए होंगे. So I will stick to that pattern of checking it, that what are we doing about it. क्या क्या गोल बनाए आप लोगों ने, कुछ बताइए. If you want to write, you can write it in chat box. It will be good to share and understand कि आपके क्या गोल थे, क्या challenges हैं. So I will not be asking like a master sitting here कि भाई गोल पूरे क्यों नहीं हुए. So I will be more trying to help you out how we can complete. And obviously I am in a park, in a society, so you will there will be so many distractions, kids voices and all, everything, but I'm enjoying it actually. And it's for me it is also a challenge to concentrate and say and talk something different, which जो अक्सर लोग धूप में बैठ के ऐसी बातें नहीं करते दोपहर को 2 बजे. There are something different which is going on in everybody's life. It's good to get relaxed, what I see. अच्छी बात है. Great. So it is good to sit and relax, but I think if you don't have goals, then it is quite difficult to move towards further in your life. कुछ ना कुछ तो लेके चलना पड़ता है. And it is not that you will define it, that what is your passion or what is your goal. ये हम नहीं डिसाइड करते, ये पहले से डिसाइड हो चुका होता है. You know what you are going to do in your life and how you will do. बट आप उस मोटिव की तरफ जितना आगे की तरफ बढ़ेंगे, and you will move towards that, then only you are going to get it in the real that हाँ अच्छा, this is what exactly I want to do in my life. This is my goal. So Arjuji is asking that what are your goals, Ravinder, for the year? So goal for 2021 is very clear. We declared it on our 2 a.m. coffee with Arvi, जिसमें I declare it very clearly that what my mission is going to be. My mission is more about, bringing love, light, and positivity in 2021. So approximate, 10,000 people globally. That is what I want to do. This is what exactly we keep as a purpose. This is the main goal actually. This is the main goal. And how exactly मुझे लगता है कि आप गोल इज लाइक अ रूफ टॉप. ओके, आपका एक जो मेन गोल होता है, जो मेन गोल विच यू हैव इन योर लाइफ इज लाइक काइंड ऑफ रूफ टॉप. You don't reach directly to your goal. What do you do that you create, step by step, small goals. छोटे छोटे गोल आप बनाते हो to reach that highest level. यही होता है ना, जब आप छत पे जाना चाहते हो या रूफ पे जाना चाहते हो, so you will not just jump and go there. गिर जाओगे, चोट लग जाएगी. That is what I call emotional and physical damage. जब आप ऐसी कोशिशें करते हो unplanned. So it is better that we should plan it one by one. छोटे छोटे गोल बनाइए. And I'm not going to too much talk about it, the goals and all. So we have another very well known goal master, Coach Anju ji, and I had a session with her also few days back, and it's really great. I think if you are facing these kind of specific problems in your professional life somewhere or personal about goals, so get connect to her and get the coaching done for that. Similarly, my view is a bit different here. The way I do things are totally different. I'm more into bringing love, light and positivity. This is what my mission is. Love is all about, how we can bring harmony in relations. चाहे वो हस्बैंड वाइफ का रिलेशन है, चाहे वो दोस्तों का रिलेशन है, एज ए फ्रेंड्स है, if it is between parents and kids, anything it can be. Love is not all about Valentine, it is more than that. So how we can bring that? That is what I see I can help you out. How we can bring a person out of a dark, जहाँ पे हम लोग ये सोच के बैठ जाते हैं कि इसके आगे लाइफ ख़त्म हो गई है या इसके आगे लाइफ चलेगी नहीं. आई थिंक उसी के बाद कहते हैं ना, वो एक पॉइंट पे आके आप हार मान के बैठ जाते हो कि भाई इससे आगे जीवन में और कुछ हो नहीं सकता. आई थिंक इट इज़ मच बेटर कि आप हार मत मानिए कभी भी. ये तो चलता रहता है ना, दिन भी आता है, रात भी आती है, बट next day you see sun is there rising in the sky. इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं है कि रात आ गई है तो सन निकलेगा नहीं अब दोबारा. It will definitely come there. Positivity is another aspect which gives you success in your life. जो ये एक thought process है. And negativity is not bad. I will not say that people, those who think negative are bad. बुरी बात नहीं है. But अति हर चीज़ की बुरी होती है. Excess of everything is not good. Too much of thinking about negative things, too much of staying in the dark is not good. आप डार्क से लाइट में नहीं आओगे तो आपको लाइट की वैल्यू पता नहीं चलेगी. इफ़ यू विल नॉट बी कमिंग आउट ऑफ नेगेटिविटी and once you come in positive, so you will not be able to realize the value of positivity as well. एक उम्मीद रखना. What exactly positivity is, if you want me to explain it more, एक चीज़ की उम्मीद रखना कि किस तरह से आप हार नहीं मानते हो. बहुत बार जीवन में ऐसी चीज़ें आती हैं जो आपको पूरा ब्रेक करके चली जाएंगी. इवन इफ इट इज़ in relationships, even if it is in your professional life or personal, anything it can be. But I think it is, end of the day, it is more important to get out of all these things. And how you can get out is that what I see, my expertise are there. If any one of you, those who think that you kept some promises and goals to yourself, or कुछ ऐसा सोचा है आपने जो करना है, and you are not able to do that, then I will be definitely able to help you out in that. So I want to hear from all of you that what are the goals which you think, which you have kept in, and those who are not fulfilled. ऐसे गोल या ऐसी चीज़ें जो आपको आपके लाइफ में लव, लाइट या पॉजिटिविटी को लाने में रोक रही हैं. That is what where we can think more about it. That is what where we can plan it out. So मैं जानना चाहूँगा आप लोगों से, if you are listening to me and there, then you can mention your goals or resolutions आपने जो भी रखे हों. It is more important. और हम लोग काफ़ी देर से गोल के आसपास ही गोल घूम रहे हैं. Which is, I think, गोल सिर्फ एक वर्ड नहीं है. It is more than that. आप सिर्फ प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में गोल्स नहीं बनाते हो. आई एम मोर कंसर्न अबाउट पर्सनल लाइफ गोल्स, कि आपने अपने लिए क्या सोचा है, आप अपने लिए क्या करना चाहते हो. आप 2020 तो चलो यू कैन गिव ए वेरी गुड रीज़न कि भाई कोरोना था, बट उसमें भी लोगों ने पीपल हैव बीन इनटू टू मच ऑफ सक्सेस एंड दे वर वेरी सक्सेसफुल, एंड आई कैन सी मैनी पीपल अराउंड मी. But what about 2021? So are you going to spend it thinking more of कि अभी तो वैक्सीन आएगी, वैक्सीन लगेगी, तब थोड़ा काम करना शुरू होंगे, या तब थोड़ा प्लान करेंगे लाइफ में क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, हाउ यू वांट टू डू, व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. I think it is more important, we should plan it out. जब तक आप आगे नहीं बढ़ोगे, जब तक आप खुद को डिसाइड नहीं करोगे खुद के लिए, so I think it is quite difficult to get into that. जीवन में कठिनाइयाँ, परेशानियाँ, दुविधाएं, ये सब चीज़ें आती जाती रहती हैं, बट रुकना नहीं होता. If you will stop at one place, तो एक ये बहुत बड़ा नुकसान होता है. हम लोग कभी कभी चीज़ें डिसाइड करते हैं, हम में से काफ़ी लोगों ने सोचा होगा. अभी आज 10 जनवरी है, दोपहर के 2 बजे, 10 दिन बीत गए 2021 के. क्या प्रोडक्टिव किया है हमने? What exactly we have done in these 10 days? क्योंकि हमारा सोचते थे ना कि अरे 2020 में तो दिक्कत है, तो 21 में करेंगे. So I want all of you to write it down कि आपने what was promises which you have done to yourself in 2020 and 21 में. It's been 10 days now. What all you have done. Your promises and your uplifting of your own life. It doesn't matter to anybody else. किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप अच्छे में हो या बुरे में हो. It impacts human around you, those who are actually looking for a light, those who are actually looking for love, those who are actually looking for positivity. That's why what the mission for love, light and positivity by RV is that I want to bring this to 10,000 humans globally. This is what exactly I want to do. We have plans, we have everything in mind. How I am going to achieve it, how I will be bringing it out. कई लोगों को मैंने कहते सुना है कि क्या प्लान करें, आने वाले टाइम का कुछ पता नहीं होता. वो तो किसी को भी नहीं पता, राइट? नोबडी इज अवेयर अबाउट इट कि लाइफ में आगे क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, क्या नहीं होगा. आज कोरोना है तो कल कुछ और होगा. बट आप उन लोगों की तरह मत बनिए जो सुबह 8 बजे अखबार लेके बैठेंगे एंड दे आर न्यूज़ में देख के पूरी दुनिया को कोस देंगे थोड़ी देर के लिए, फिर बोलेंगे कुछ हो नहीं रहा. वो नहीं बनना. आई एम अगेंस्ट दोज पीपल, दोज हु थिंक एंड से दैट कि कुछ हो नहीं सकता. बहुत कुछ हो सकता है इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू डू दैट. और ये आपको भी अपने दिल में पता है. इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू डू समथिंग यू कैन डू इट. इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू डू इट, वो कहते हैं ना कि करना है तो करना है, कोई बहाना नहीं है. और ना करने के 100 बहाने होते हैं. बट ये सब करके हम धोखा किसे दे रहे हैं? आई थिंक अपने आप को. अपने आप से तो सच बोलो, विच इज़ मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. बी ट्रू टू योर सेल्फ, बी ट्रू टू योर ओन गोल्स, बी ट्रू टू योर ओन promises which you have made. That is what the purpose of our life today. The main purpose was to meet and see everybody, those who are on day. The other purpose was to check that कि आप लोग कैसे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, how it is going on. And if you need any help from my side, please मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हैं, कॉल कर सकते हैं, ईमेल कर सकते हैं. देयर आर 100 ऑफ वेज. वही कह रहा हूँ मैं, ना करने का 100 बहाना है और करने का सिर्फ एक होता है. I think it is not even important that you are doing it for yourself or you are doing it for somebody else. आप जब ये सोच के करोगे कि आप अपने लिए कर रहे हो, तो वो जो एक जिसे हम एक टास्क मानते हैं, वो पैशन बन जाएगा। ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं होता है टास्क में और पैशन में, या प्रोफेशन और पैशन में। प्रोफेशन में जाने से पहले या करने से पहले, प्रोफेशन को कोई भी काम आप ये सोच के करते हो कि यू विल अर्न मनी फ्रॉम दैट। और जब आप कुछ ऐसी चीज़ करते हो जो आपका पैशन है, तो पहली चीज़ जो आपके दिमाग में आती है वो ये आती है कि इससे किसी का भला होगा, किसी का अच्छा होगा। जब सुबह मैं ये चीज़ सोच रहा था कि चलो आई विल गो लाइव एट 2 PM, क्योंकि जब से हमने ये शुरू किया है आरवी डायरी, I was not able to go live at this time. Then I realized that if this makes a difference to a single person even, to me also, then I will definitely do that. It doesn't make any difference that how many people are watching you at that time in your life. It is more important that how many people are watching you behind your back. कितने लोग इस वीडियो की फीडिंग और सेव होने के बाद में इसको स्क्रॉल करेंगे, आराम से देखेंगे। At everybody time will suit 2 PM. वो तो मुझे सूट किया। Then I was here only. I was thinking that कि हो सकता है ये टाइम सबको अच्छा रहे। Because even I see people coming in at 2 AM also. Most of Indian people, those who are live with me at 2 AM, surely they have a passion in their life. Something is going on. So we had a good word today, and I will expect responses. You can send me a direct mail, you can send me any connects which you think it will be good if it is coming in. I think concept of being here in a day was totally different. To give this message, message should reach to as many as people you want to reach, send it. कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, कैसे कर रहे हो, किस तरह से कर रहे हो, आपने जो अपने आप से प्रोमिसेस किए वो आप कैसे पूरे कर रहे हो। As a family I was here, even as a family member I was here to check how you all are doing, how is life, how are things going on, how it is going on in your life, what are the things which you are facing. Anywhere if you need any help, it will be a great thing to do. So this was the first episode of 2 PM Garden Live with Arvi. Garden Live इसलिए because I am sitting in amphitheater of my society. Nice atmosphere and I can see life going on around me. Kids are enjoying. And it is good. Many people will, at a point of life will think that कि ये क्या पागलपन है. But I love to do this. अगर ये पागलपन है तो मुझे पसंद है. It's my passion to do this. To see and keep asking people how they are doing. कहाँ उनको किस तरह से मेरी ज़रूरत है, I can come out and help them. Great. So it was first session of 2 p.m. Garden Live with RV, and I'm really happy that all of you were able to join it and see it. If you were not able to join it, you can see it in the recordings. I will put it on. It was a general conversation, not a Gyan session, because I don't want to be somebody that you don't want to listen. Thank you, Anju ji. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Amit ji. And this is exactly what is the purpose of going live was. Just to bring some awareness, just to check where you're going, how you're going in your life. क्या सोचा है आपने 2021 में, क्या पर्पस है लाइफ का, क्या पैशन है आपका. There are many questions. I think connect with me. I will give you 10 more questions to ask yourself. You can connect with me in many ways. WhatsApp, mobile, message, messenger, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. But if you really are serious about your life, then only you will think to get connect. क्योंकि वही बात दोबारा आ रही है ना कि अगर आपको नहीं करना है तो 100 बहाने हैं, वो करना है तो सिर्फ एक ही है कि हाँ करना है. That's it. There is nothing right or left. अगर आपको भी ऐसा लगता है कि लाइफ में कुछ बचा नहीं है, you know, and there is nothing good is going on, सब उल्टा चल रहा है, सब खराब चल रहा है, let's connect and discuss about it. And I'm sure about it that I will be able to sort this out for you. That's it for the day. Thank you so much, and stay connected. I will be planning to do these 2 p.m. live on Sunday, thinking that while relaxing you will be enjoying it, you will be able to connect with me, you will be able to you will be in a calmful atmosphere. Great. Thank you so much everyone, and hope to see all you soon, and keep giving your love to RV Diary, which is now officially has been changed as Love, Light and Positivity by RV, because the mission is same, and I want to reflect it in everywhere, that whenever you open my page, you should feel more positive about it. The soul is going to remain RV Diary, but the food which I want to feed this soul is love, light and positivity. Thank you so much. Thank you again, and hope to see you all soon. Take care. God bless you.